Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add music to your WhatsApp status or WhatsApp story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my WhatsApp application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a WhatsApp story. But for your information guys, this is a new feature on WhatsApp, so if you haven't got this feature on your WhatsApp, I recommend you to update your WhatsApp on Play Store if you are Android user, or you can update it on your Apple Store if you are iOS user. Okay, and here I'm going to create a WhatsApp status. So I'm going to go to the updates, and then I'm going to choose my status. And here we can upload a video or photo, or maybe just text to our story. But I'm going to upload photo, this one. And if you want to add music to your status, you can click on this music icon, and then you can search for a specific song or artist here. Just go to the search bar if you want to search for a song or artist. And wait, I'm just going to search for my favorite song. Okay, this one. We just need to click on the music or the song like this. And then you can click on this icon to add the music or song to your story. And then you can choose the part of the music you want to add to your story. Okay, I'm just going to choose this part, for example. Okay, and once you're done, you can click on done. Okay, and now the music has been added to my story. Okay, this is the result. Okay, if you want to change the music, you just need to click on the music you have added, and then click on the music like this, and you'll be able to change it. Okay, that's easy, right? And then you can continue your editing. You can add sticker, text, or maybe emoji to your WhatsApp, and then to your WhatsApp status. And then once you're done editing your status or your story, you can click on this send icon or send button to upload your WhatsApp status. Okay, and if you haven't got the feature, don't worry guys. Even though we have updated our WhatsApp, maybe the feature is still not there. If this happened to you, just wait for it, because I think the WhatsApp developer is still testing for this feature. So they will give us this feature gradually. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add music to WhatsApp status. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.